So today's question, we're going to be looking at what does the, I suppose, future hold for Property Partner? What does 2019 look like, Marshall? And where's your, I suppose, long-term vision as a kind of company going towards from a direction point of view?
So yes, we are building out the range of properties that we offer to our investors.
Yeah.
We're very conscious that different investors have different appetite for income and for growth and for risk, and we want to build those offers for those different appetites. Yeah. So we started the business with residential property. We moved on from there to student accommodation, and that's been very popular. We have brought a number of commercial property opportunities to our investors that have a very strong yield characteristics, perhaps less clear on the capital growth, but that's the appetite that some people have. And we've also now introduced our first loan-based product. So lending, property-backed lending is a major area where investors have interest, and we see that as part of a general wealth creation and development strategy. So we see in 2019 that we'll be bringing more lending-backed opportunities to our marketplace, giving investors a very wide range of things to access, and also making Property Partner more interesting, more diverse, more robust in terms of the different cycles of the residential and commercial and student market.
Because obviously 2019, any property cycle is always going to vary within the specific niches, but do you see 2019 as possibly attracting maybe more interesting commercial or debt or residential buy-to-lets, or is it, I guess, maybe hard to say to an extent, but are you seeing any particular trends happening or coming up?
Well, it's very hard to say right now because we're in the midst of a high degree of uncertainty with the political situation and with Brexit, particularly right now as we speak. You know, we're just sort of around the finalisation of the Brexit deal, if there's to be one. What I would say is that in times of high uncertainty, oftentimes there are fantastic deals to be done, and in the marketplace today we are seeing some very keen sellers, and consequently some tremendous buying opportunities. So we expect to be opportunistic for the next short period, and then into 2019 as the uncertainty resolves itself, we expect the property market, both in residential and commercial, to sort of get back on track, firm up, and transaction rates to gradually resume towards the normal levels that we've seen over previous years. You know, where the capital growth and income growth will be, we will have to monitor rental levels and capital values, as we normally do through our research department, and be alive to opportunities as they come along.
Fantastic. And is the vision to be part of each of those different cycles, each of those different niches within properties, as become the standard version of how to maybe buy and trade properties? That's what investors are maybe gearing up towards for the future of property, if it were.
Yeah. So our vision is to really offer tremendous investment opportunities from both our own property team and other very carefully selected property teams that are real experts in what they do. We have the in-house skills to understand those opportunities, present them to investors in a clear, simple way, and basically give investors access to the sorts of opportunities that they'd really have trouble accessing as individuals or even as investment clubs. So you know that the property market is so large and diverse and exciting that there's just so many great opportunities out there, but you need to really have experts working for you to bring forward strong deals that have good investment characteristics.
Sure. Fantastic.